You want a super simple framework that you can use for like literally anything? I got you. Let's talk Frayer model. It's not exactly an eduprotocol, it's just a great pedagogy, but we use it a ton. Check this out. A basic Frayer model is 4 quadrants, and you have prompts in each one. Ding. Topic in the center. I mean, you can do this on a slide, you can do this on a giant paper, you can do this out of sticks, it doesn't matter. Like, it's just 4 quadrants and everybody's answering the same questions. This is often used for vocabulary, but I like to use it for tons of stuff. Check this out. Character analysis. Let's say you're reading fiction and you want to analyze a character. How about physical traits in one side, what others think about and say about them, what's most important to them, and what archetype might they be? It's endless what you can do with this. Here's some of my favorite prompts. I usually turn to something called Teaching from the Classics by the Pelican Society. Check it out. Bam. Wha-bam. Simple graphic organizer, endless possibilities. If you find this stuff kind of interesting, send it to somebody who could use it. Like, follow, you know the drill.